COVID-19 na maram oiraga hek hawbadagi ngasi fawba Manipur thokpa fangdana leirli aduga Delhi asi red zone soiba Manipur gi missing su asikumatik yamna leiba mafam oibana first and second phase sakraba chu mapung phaba habadudi oidri maram aduna chakhiba makhoi singidi fare aduga leihoriba ekoi gi su athoba matamda mari leinaba authority na meeting changbiyu mafam asida ekoi thabak tawdabana maram oiraga paisa su thokte yumdagi paisa tharakpa su toina ngamde leiba ren ki fee su thinaba kanna taksilak aduna ren ki fees su pidaba yade flight service tawrabasu paisa gi khudong chaba leitabana flight ta chatpasu ngamde maram aduna lauthokpiba nacha ekhoi su asukimatik ware Manipur gi government ki maikaidagi amasung honorable CM Pabong Biren na ekhoi gi awaba asibu yengbiduna horiba ekhoi bu su athuba matamda lauthokpinaba haina haisiri.
Imphal being gearing up for smart city here in Tamenglong district, like one of the most backward district in the state, and Tamai, the sub-divisional headquarters of Tamenglong district in particular, is the most backward and secluded place on earth, I should say. As you see, we lost one of our uncle who is a migrant worker from Bihar. He met with an accident here at Tamai, but to my surprise, like there was no emergency life-saving gears at Tamai. Plus, even the single ambulance that we have at Tamai is also not working, and we can't find even the drivers, and even the doctors were not willing to help out because they just give an explanation like this is just a PHC, what can we do? I humbly request the government and the concerned authorities to at least upgrade Tamai PHC into whatever level you name it, but at least provide us with life-saving gears and intensive care units and other necessary machines and tools to be used for emergency services, so that we can save some lives in Tamai, because we are far away from cities, in fact state capital city, and then also from district headquarters.